Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode. This time from the highway between Ploiești and Bucharest. Unfortunately, on the way there was a minor accident. The second car on the let's say fast road that surrounds Ploiești. The second car that was behind me didn't brake on time. It was a traffic jam in front, like kilometers of cars in front, and yeah, there was a lady, a woman who braked in the last second and also went on the side, in the left side, but in a car like this one, just a different color. It wasn't anything serious, but a bit of metal sheet was bent. A few moments ago I had a motorcycle tailgating me. I tried to drive at a steady, at a constant speed, so he was behind me for a few kilometers as well. I will go on, hopefully on the same route as last week. I don't want to go on the so-called road that goes around Bucharest. That isn't fast at all. I mean, you're standing still there. I will go through some towns, some small towns in POV, like Afumați, perfect, like this. So it told me that I will go with 4 minutes faster. Afumați, Ploiești, like Pasărea, Islaz, on that part. And I will see, maybe I will make a short stop at the monastery with the same name, Pasărea. In translation it means the bird. That's an unusual name for a monastery, but it's really beautiful. And it resembles Cernica. But yeah, so far so good. It's a good thing the day is longer, and hopefully I will get there. For sure it will be night, because I don't see how I could arrive sooner than 9 p.m. in Constanța, in Eforia Nord, but still it will be just a short night drive. Here is this guy again with I don't know what has there, like plywood or wooden floors. That plastic is gone. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and I will catch you soon in those small towns near the monastery. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.